Hi there, what's up mga katarum? We are outdoors once again and we are doing some hiking. Let's do another unpacking video or unboxing video while we are outdoors hiking. Let's just look for a nice spot where we can mount our equipment. So it's nice to be out here where we can do much social distancing. For our purpose, we'll be using this guy. We already did a unpacking video of this Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops B038, and our item came all the way from the United States. You see, I participated in a bid right there at eBay for a Leatherman, and to my surprise, I actually won. Now, this was sent to me by the contracting party last September, and he cautioned me of the delay. But you know what? I just got this today, it's already March 1, 2021. This was sent September 2020. It turns out this arrived at field post October. However, they said they couldn't decipher my name. That's why they were not able to send this timely enough. So I decided to just visit their office and ask about a parcel under my name, and it turns out I actually have a parcel under my name, and it's a parcel sent to me by my contracting party at eBay. Alright, let's begin. The plastic is just right. It says made in China. The plastic is made in China. Okay, fabric Chine. This was sent via, I don't know, maybe UPS. I'll write on the description the name of the person who sent this to me. Okay, let's open it. Work well, huh? Works well. Alright. There's also a bit of what's inside. Nothing much. What you call this? Bubble wrap is built in. It's already built in the package. So yeah, covered in, wow, it's covered in brown paper by my contracting party. Quite a rugged guy. He owns a shop where he sells knives and all of this outdoors and tactical stuff. EB blade, okay, 154. Oh, it's a Leatherman Surge. This is second hand, so yeah, it has some issues already, but nothing I can't fix. So maybe I'll just simply open it this way. There. It's a Leatherman Surge. Leatherman second hand, but still a Leatherman Surge. Most of the you know, the tools are here, but um, yeah, I'll do a review of this after a while, but for now this is just an unpacking video. So yeah, there's a little, you know, damage on the blade, but it's okay. I bought it in this condition, really cheap, got this for a cheap price. Leatherman Surge, cheap price, looking nice as it is, and just happy to actually be able to transact with my new American friend, and I'll be glad to, you know, contact him as soon as I can about this. Alright, have you tried buying at eBay by bid? Kindly post in the comments below your experience, and do you also collect Leatherman items? Alright, thanks for watching. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Please watch my other videos on current events, poetry, music, martial arts, Kali, outdoors and prepping, survivalism even. And please support my channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Best regards. Be safe.